Welcome to Secret Entertainment Extreme channel. Today we are going to explore Wirecut Machines, also known as Wire Electrical Discharge Machining (WEDM), have come a long way since their inception. Today they are a crucial tool in modern manufacturing, offering unparalleled precision and accuracy. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Imagine a world where precision engineering was a daunting task. Manufacturers struggled to produce intricate parts and accuracy was a luxury. That was until the invention of Wirecut machines. In the 1960s, engineers discovered that a thin wire could be used to cut through metal with incredible precision. This innovation revolutionized industries, enabling the creation of complex components of aerospace, automotive, and medical devices. Wirecut machines, also known as Wire Electrical Discharge Machining (WEDM), have come a long way since their inception. Today, they are a crucial tool in modern manufacturing, offering unparalleled precision and accuracy. Principle of operation, the science behind the spark. Picture a spark plug igniting a car engine. Now imagine that spark being harnessed to cut through metal. That is essentially how Wirecut machines work. Here is the science. A thin wire electrode, typically made of brass or tungsten, is fed through the workpiece. The wire is surrounded by a dielectric fluid which helps maintain the spark gap. When a voltage is applied, an electrical discharge spark occurs between the wire and workpiece. This spark erodes the metal, allowing the wire to cut through. The process is carefully controlled by a power supply and control system, ensuring precise cutting and minimizing material waste. Process steps: the cutting edge. First, set up the workpiece and wire electrode. Next, apply the voltage and the spark begins to cut through the metal. The wire moves in a programmed path, carefully controlled by the machine's computer. Wire feed. The wire is fed through the workpiece. Voltage application. The spark ignites. Spark generation. The metal is eroded. Wire movement. The wire cuts through the workpiece. Cutting process. The machine continuously monitors and adjusts. Hold up a perfectly cut component, showcasing the precision and accuracy of Wirecut machines. Advantages: the benefits of precision. Imagine producing intricate parts with ease without worrying about material waste or tool wear. Wirecut machines offer numerous benefits. High precision, cut complex shapes and designs with incredible accuracy. No mechanical stress, no vibrations or mechanical forces to damage the workpiece. No tool wear. The wire electrode does not wear out, reducing maintenance. Complex shapes, cut intricate designs and small parts with ease. Low material waste, minimize material loss, reducing costs. These advantages make wire-cut machines an essential tool in modern manufacturing applications. Industries using wire-cut machines: aerospace, automotive, medical devices, jewelry, precision engineering. Types of wire-cut machines: CNC, computer numerical control, WEDM, manual WEDM, robotic WEDM, high speed WEDM. Manufacturers: leading wire cut machine manufacturers: Mitsubishi, Sodic, Makino, Fanuc, Charmills. Key features: the precision toolbox. When selecting a wire cut machine, consider these key features. Wire tension maintains wire stability for precise cutting. Spark gap control regulates electrical discharge for optimal cutting. Dielectric fluid management ensures optimal fluid flow and spark gap. Automatic wire threader. Easy wire replacement saves time. Real-time monitoring. Operator interface for monitoring and adjustment. These features ensure precision, efficiency, and reliability in wire cutting operations. Cutting edge technology. As we conclude our journey through the world of wire cut machines, we have seen how these innovative devices have transformed manufacturing. From precision aerospace components to intricate medical devices, wire cut machines have enabled industries to push boundaries. With their ability to cut complex shapes, minimize material waste, and maximize accuracy, wire cut machines are truly cutting edge technology. An engineer, machinist, or industry leader understanding wire cut machines can unlock new possibilities. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.